Hi, welcome back to the channel. Creating a professional bottle label mockup in 2026 is fast and beginner-friendly using Canva. Follow this step-by-step process to make your product look premium and ready for Etsy, Shopify, or Gumroad. Now, step 1. Prepare your bottle label design. Before making the mockup, you need a label ready. Inside Canva, hit Create at the top. Okay. And once you hit create a design, right, what you're gonna do, choose a custom size, right? A common sizes for water bottle is 8 by 3 inches, 4 by 4 inches for cosmetic jar, 5 by 2 inches for spray bottle. Okay. Design your label, brand name, logo, ingredients if needed. Right, go ahead right here to custom size and just type 8 by 8 by 3, right? It says right here dimensions must be 40 pixels in no more than 8,000. Let me choose a different inches. Okay, so I'm gonna just 8 by 3. Okay, and hit create a new design. Add the brand name, as we said, logo, ingredients if needed, and clean colors. Keep background transparent if possible. Okay, PNG export later. Right. Pro tip: simple labels look more realistic on mockups, and then you're gonna export the label correctly, like we're gonna do later. Okay, with the mockup. When your label is ready, click share. Click download, choose a PNG. Again, we're gonna do this with the mockup, right? That we're gonna choose. And turn on transparent background, just important. And download the file. Now, next, we're gonna find a bottle mockup in Canva. Search for bottle mockup, cosmetic bottle, water bottle mockup, spray bottle mockup. Choose a clean, high quality mockup. There we go. Let me go to the templates here at the bottom, on the left hand menu. Just type bottle mockup. Inside, gonna choose our design. Let's say okay. Let me choose this one. Right? Choose a clean, high quality mockup. White or minimal backgrounds usually convert best for e-commerce. Okay, and then what you're gonna do, just hit customize this label or this template. Sorry, fasting today. Now, insert your label into the mockup. This is the magic step, right? Method A, which is best, smart mockups if available. In Canva, upload, go to the uploads here and hit upload files to upload your label, okay? And click the label image. Let's say this is the label, right? And I'm gonna just put it there. Let me take it away. Right? And just put it there. Done. Alright? This is the best method. Choose the bottle style and adjust fit in a position. Canva automatically wraps the label onto the bottle. Okay? So, yeah. Now, add realism. What makes it look pro? Most beginners skip this, so don't. Add subtle shadow, right? Click the label here, hit edit, and choose shadows. Find shadows here. And I'm gonna choose drop, right? To make it more realistic. Okay. You see right here for more authenticity. Lower blur and transparency. And match the lighting. Adjust brightness, contrast, temperature, tint if needed. Your label should match the bottle lighting. And slight curve effect for advanced settings. If the bottle is round, slightly rotate label, reduce width by 1 to 3%, add very soft shadow. This makes it look wrapped, not flat. And then create a multiple mockup angles. For better convergence, create a front view, angled view, lifestyle scene, close-up zooms. Why this matters? More angles mean more trust means more sales. Duplicate your page in Canva and swap mockups. Okay? And then onto that important step which we mentioned before that we didn't do before with your with the water bottle, excuse me. We're gonna just hit share at the top. When finished, click share and download. Okay? Now choose PNG, best for e-commerce, GBG for smaller size. Okay? And use high quality. Right? If you have a premium Canva, you can just extend it to make it, to have more quality. No, okay. I mean a little bit. Yeah, a little bit like this. Alright? And the point before that I mentioned, when you wanted to create your water bottle or basically your label, I said when you try to export the label, I mentioned the transparent background, which is really important, right? When you want to export the label, you can find the transparent background before you download your label. So in our case, we don't need to because we're gonna add many angles, right? So we need the background actually, right? But if you're making your label, before you hit download and do the same steps, add the check mark here for transparent background. Now, where to use your bottom mockup? Your finished mockup works perfectly for Etsy product images, Shopify product pages, Gumroad listings, Amazon KDP bundles, social media ads, Pinterest, pins. Now, here's a pro tips for most sellers miss this. Use minimal backgrounds. Keep label readable at a small size. Avoid over-decorated scenes. Test white versus lifestyle backgrounds. Always export high resolution. Create a brand, color, style. Right? Fast workflow. Design label. Export PNG transparent. Open bottom mockup. Insert label. Adjust realism. Export HD. Upload to your store. Okay? Now, hopefully this video helped. Consider subscribing, turn on the notification bell to receive every video we upload. Until next time, see you.